Buying a home is an exciting process, but it can be stressful if you don't know what to expect. In this video, I'm going to help walk you through the entire buying process and make sure that when you're ready for your property purchase, everything goes as smoothly as possible. Hi there, I'm Amy and I'm from Northern Kentucky Houses. I'm here today because too many people get misinformed about how their search should go. Step number 1, how much house can you afford? When it comes to buying a house, most lenders will need to know your debt to income ratio, if you currently have any loan payments or personal loans, your gross monthly income, and more so they can let you know how much house you can afford. Step number 2, what type of loan will you qualify for? Tons of institutions have the same basic conventional loan. FHA loan, VA loans, conventional. But what about all the other loans like USDA, self-employed, jumbo, down payment assistance programs, or adjustable rate mortgage loans? There are so many. You need to find out who offers what and what's the best for your needs. Your real estate agent should have a contact for lenders that specialize in different types of loans. The lender will put together a formal letter called a pre-approval or a pre-qualified letter. Step number 3, do you need 20% down for a mortgage loan? Nope, that's not true anymore. There are loans out there that require 3.5% and even less than that in some cases, like VA mortgages, which typically require $0 put down. How much money do you need? The lender can answer the questions for you. Join us for a home buyer seminar to learn more about closing costs, loan estimate, and all the other details that come with buying your new forever home. Step number 4, finding the right real estate agent. Different people have different priorities when it comes to their real estate needs, and the agents who can best meet those wants are out there. Find what quality you value most in an agent, then make sure they're present among all potential candidates. You can find out a lot about someone by Googling their name, for instance, their Google My Business account where you can read reviews from other buyer and seller experiences. In general, you're going to want an agent that is patient, truthful, and a good listener. Most of all, compatible. Look out for red flag real estate agents who are overly aggressive and want to sell you a home that does not fit your needs. Step number 5, house hunting. Now that you have an idea of how much your monthly mortgage payment will be, so basically how much house you can afford, it's time to find out how the real estate market is doing. The right real estate agent will get to work on searching for properties on and off the market. Knowing what type of market we are in when searching for homes will help you when offering a purchase price. Step number 6, writing an offer. Now that you have found a house you are ready to make an offer on, you will want to have your ducks in a row. Remember, the seller and the seller's agent will be looking at everything with your offer, including your down payment, if you're asking for any closing cost, your earnest money, deposit if you're getting a home inspection, type of loan like a conventional loan or the FHA loans, and obviously your purchase price offer. Your real estate agent will be taking care of all of this, but it's best if you have an understanding of what you're about to sign. When both parties come to a mutual written agreement, the property can now be marked pending. So that goes to step number 7. After you view your inspection results, it's important to ask the seller for any corrections. You can do this in one of 3 ways. You can offer them a discounted purchase price considering what was found during inspection, or a request that they give credits towards closing costs so that these problems don't hold back the finalization of contract negotiations altogether. For the most common way is to ask the seller to make any repairs for any safety issues. Step number 8, appraisal. A home appraisal is a review that gives the current value of your prospective property. You must get an appraisal before you can purchase with a mortgage loan. Your lending institution will order the appraisal and the property must appraise at or above the negotiated price. Step number 9, close the sale. Your closing disclosure is a document that tells you what to expect at closing and summarizes the details of your loan. it will be given 3 days before, so make sure it matches up pretty close with any information from loan estimates. Once you have reviewed your closing document, it's time to meet at the closing table with all the parties to sign paperwork and leave with your keys to your new home in hand. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.